My name is Morgan Santiago.
And my name is Mackenzie Santiago.
And today we're making chocolate chip cookies. So your ingredients you will need:
Okay, girls, you were making these cookies for a party. However, a lot of the people that said they were coming are not coming to the party. So you don't need as many chocolate chip cookies. What can you do?
Well, you just divide all the ingredients by 2.
So we're gonna split the recipe in half. If we need 2 1/4 cups of flour, we can split the 2 in half, 1 and 1. Now, only thing we need to do is divide the 1/4 in half. 1/4 divided by 2 is the same as 1/4 times 1/2, which is equal to 1/8. 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 1/4 divided by 2 is equal to 1 1/8. Girls, what is your new recipe once you have divided all the ingredients by 2?
So now you need 1 1/8 cup of flour,
1/2 teaspoon baking soda,
a pinch of salt,
2 ounces of cream cheese,
1/4 cup of sugar,
1/4 cup of brown sugar,
1 cup of chocolate chips,
and 1 egg.
What's the first thing you need to do to start your cookies?
You will combine flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt.
So we're going to take our ingredients and we're going to set those off to the side.
Now we are going to mix our butter, cream cheese, brown sugar, and sugar into this mixing bowl. So we're going to start with the butter. Now we're going to add 1 egg. Now we are going to add our flour mixture at least 1/4 at a time.
Our cookie is all mixed up, and now we are going to add chocolate chips.
Which we have chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. Now we are adding our cookie dough onto a pan.
Our cookie's been baked in the oven for 12 minutes and then cooled off for 2 minutes on our pan. Now we are going to put each cookie on the wired rack so they can cool down. Thank you for watching Math Mondays.
Hopefully you guys could come next week and see what we're baking.